Madison Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Greene County, southern Madison County, until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jamestown, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Jamestown, Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, New Holland, South Solon, Midway, Bowersville, Milledgeville, Octa, Newport, Chenoweth, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Rosemore, Madison Mills, Gladstone, Madison Lake, Bookwalter and Shady Grove. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 87. Now for the official